Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics so you don't chase ghosts. First, power the unit and ensure the battery is at least 50% or connect AC. Once done, remove the lens hood and inspect the mount for grit or bent contacts. Make sure the camera is in a focus assist or AF diagnostic mode so you can see what the system is doing. Now, switch to a plain target, like a high contrast chart, and trigger one live test shot to capture current behavior. You need to dig into calibration and cleaning to isolate causes. Carefully blow and wipe the lens and sensor regions with safe tools. Even small dust can fool focus systems. Then perform AF micro-adjustment per your camera menu or run the lens calibration routine. This aligns lens elements to the body. Use focus targets at 1 meter and 3 meters, testing both center and edge framing. Make sure to vary aperture. You finish by confirming stability and preparing fallback options. After calibration, run a comprehensive set of tests across distances and apertures, then save successful adjustments as a custom profile. This prevents future drift. Reattach the hood, tighten the mount, and shoot real-world scenes to validate performance. If focus still hunts or shows inconsistent behavior, reset the camera and lens firmware, retry calibration, and only then consider professional service. Motor or sensor faults require manufacturer repair. One tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.